Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about rankx function. So already I have explained different examples in rankx and top n function. So please try to watch all my previous examples so that you'll get more understand, more clarity with the different scenarios about rankx and top n. So now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I will try to explain what are the steps that I have taken care to design all these report and all. Okay, so before getting into the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported from the Excel into this Power BI desktop. So customer, geography, product, sales territory, dim date, product category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship I have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. We'll try to have a look at. So go to the model tab. So collapse these, scroll down a little bit. Now we can see that so already I established the relationship between the dimension and fact tables. So basically this is no flex schema because the dimension table has to be interconnected to one dimension to another dimension. So the filter propagation is really in all the dimension table, it's like a one direction to the many direction, it's not enabled for both the direction. So that is up to the requirement. Whenever you want to filter from multi-side both direction, we can enable it. But in today's for this demo there is no need of enabling multi-direction. I have just applied the only single direction. Okay, so like this I have established the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. Now we'll go to the report tab. There we can understand what kind of design I have done here. So first we'll try to look into this page. So here, so the requirement is like I want to see the top n sale, top n product sales for each year wise. For example, if I want to see the top 5, so each product wise what are the top 5 with respect to the current year. In 2000, what are the top 5 products? In 2002, what are the top 5? In 2003, what are the top 5? In 2004, what are the top 5? Like that. So if you want how to do that, so that's what I have done here in the second page. So if we look at here, so this is the matrix visual. So in rows we have the product name, in columns we have the year. So based on the selection, automatically we are getting the top product sales with respect to the current year. For example, if I click on top 3, okay, top 3 products in 2000, what are the top 3 products? In 2002, what are the top 3 products? In 2003, what are the top 3 products? In 2004, what are the top 3? So based on the selection, we are getting the products for each year wise. Okay, if I click on top 5, so automatically we are getting the top 5. But if we can notice here is we are getting 4 even if I click on 3. Why? Because these two products, mountain 100 black 38 as well as 48, both are having the same sales. Okay, these two products having the same sales, so that is the reason it gives the rank for the both the products. That is the reason even though I have selected top 3, but we have the 4 products. Okay, for remaining we have a different sales for each product wise, so that is the reason we have 3 here, but in case here 4. Okay, even if I click on top 5 also, you will see 6, but remaining 5. In 2001 only 6 products we got, but in 2002, 3, 4 we have 5 only. So top 7 also we can click it. Sorry, top 7, top 10. So for this for getting this one, I have created a separate table. I'll try to show it out. So go to the column tab, click on rank table. Yeah, here I have created a separate table. Top 3 means 3, top 5 means 5, so top 7 means 7, top 10 means 10. Why I have created rank value? So this one is enough, right? there are some cases if you want to sort the top 3 ways, it's not giving properly. So that is the reason I have added another value without mentioning the top. So based on that we can sorting ascending order, descending order. That is the reason I have added extra column for this table and all. Okay, now I'll go to the report. So based on the selection we are getting the top products, but if you want each country wise, I want to see the top 3 products. So we have the country, right? So each country wise, so for example if I click on country United States, see legend is highlighting. Based on the selection automatically we are getting highlighting, right? You can notice, right? So for example if I click on United States sales, I want to the top 3 products, United States wise, each year wise. So in 2001 United States, what are the top 3 products? So these 3. In 2002, in 2003, in 2004. So likewise we can analyze each year wise, each country wise, what are the top products, right? So in this case top 3 for the France, because these 3 products having the same sales, so that is the reason we have 5 products we got, even though we have selected top 3. Okay, so this one is overall the top 3 product sales, overall top 3 products for the United States. For example if I click on top 3 months, we have the overall, not this entire sum, it's overall top 3 product sales. This one top 5 means top 5 products, top 7, top 10 product sales. Okay, top 5. Even once we got this report and all, even you can I will try to show what kind of measures I have done for getting these values and all. So one is a product sale, yeah, this is a product sales. So basically what I have done here, so first of all by using rank x function I'm getting the ranks, and also I'm storing into a variable. So I have declared a variable. Within this variable I'm fetching the rank x function. So another one is I have declared another variable. Within this variable, based on whatever the selection rank value, I'm keeping in this variable. So after that I'm validating if the rank sales less than or equal to selection, give the total sales, otherwise give the blank. So and again, so I'm finally checking if at least product name has one value, give the this expression, otherwise give the total sales. Okay, what are the products we have selected, it gives the those product total sales. So even we can say once we got this, if you want understand whether the giving properly or not, we can have design separate page for validating whether numbers are giving properly or not. For example I'll show one example. In top 3, so we have 4 products in 2001. Okay, I'll go to 2001 top 3. I did not select any country in top 3. Now we can see, right, 1 2 2. So the rank has been same because both the products have the same, right? So both the products have the same sales. That is the reason we have the rank 2 ranks. Okay, both the products have same rank. That is the reason we have 4. In case if I click on France, now you can see, so first rank 1 itself have the 3 products having the same sales, 44 44 44. So for the next product we got rank 2, another product rank 3. So likewise we have the 5 products for the 2001 for the country France top 3. So likewise we can do this example. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos. Thanks so much for watching.